Hi everyone, it's Holly coming to you from Cumberland Public Libraries. Today is week 6 of Fold It Friday, so that means we're going to be doing sticky note origami. Sticky note origami is great because lots of you probably have sticky notes at home, and there's a sticky side that you can use to stick the paper to the table, and it helps you fold the model. So today we are going to be making butterflies as well as basketball hoops, and both of these you can stick to your wall, which is kind of cool. So I hope you guys have fun, and please leave pictures in the comments so I can see how they turn out. So we're going to start off by making a butterfly. Again, I'm going to be using sticky notes for these, but if you wanted to use printer paper, you can do that. Just fold your paper into a square by lining up these edges and cutting along this side. And then once you have that, you're going to want to fold your square in half, and then also fold it in half the other way, and then you will have 4 squares that you can cut out, and you can make your butterflies or your basketball hoops with those. It just will mean that it's not going to stick to a wall, but you can still make them. So I'm going to take one sticky note, make my butterfly, and we are going to start off with our sticky side over on the left. So it should look like that. And we are going to valley fold the paper in half so that it makes a rectangle. Now you can unfold and unstick your paper and put the sticky part up at the top, and we're going to align this edge with the top and make another rectangle. So what we're making here is actually called a water bomb base in origami, and it's a set of folds that a lot of people use to make different models. So then we're going to fold the paper in half to make triangles. You can unfold and fold a triangle on the other side, and unfold. So now what we're going to do, I like to unstick my paper. If you see this crease along the side, that's a valley fold. We're just going to fold it in the other direction. We're kind of turning it into a mountain fold. And then you're going to want to take your sticky part and put it at the bottom. So our final step for the water bomb base, you're going to, if you press on the center, it should pop up a little bit. And if you bring these creases in towards the center, it should make like a triangle. And then you can just squash down the top like that. And that's our water bomb base. So next, we are going to fold our paper in half, like that, and then you're going to need a pair of scissors. This is kirigami today, which means we can cut our origami paper. And you're going to make a little like semicircle just at the top, and make sure that you're cutting the edge with they're all stuck together right now, but it should be all of the different flaps. Yeah. So it's the 4 flaps stuck together that we're cutting. Just like that. So next, we are going to make a little bit of a heart. So you're going to want to make sure that the sticky side is down, and you're going to pull the flaps up so that this side aligns in the center. And you'll see it makes a little bit of a heart. Now we're going to flip our paper over and the point should be facing towards us. And you're going to take this point and we're going to fold it a little bit too far up, and you'll see what I mean in a second. So we're going over top of that top edge. I like to not go too high just so that we have as much of the sticky part as possible. But just about there. And I say too far because our paper doesn't want to fold flat. So what we're going to do is stick our finger kind of in that corner and just squash it down. It looks something like that. And we'll do it on the other side. It kind of looks like a little bit like a triangle when you squash it down. Okay, and then we can flip our butterfly over and fold it in half. And then if you like, you can also fold down this top corner like that. And there's our butterfly, and you should have the sticky part on the top wings on the back there, so you can stick it to your wall or the table or whatever you like. So to make our basketball hoop, we are going to start off with the sticky side over to the left, and we're going to take this bottom edge and fold it up to the top. And then you can unfold, move the sticky part to the top, and fold this bottom edge to the top. And then you can unfold and fold your paper in half so that it makes triangles. And then unstick your paper, and this middle crease down the side, we are going to make that into a mountain fold. So you can just fold your paper in half again so that you're changing the direction of that crease. So it should be popping up. And then stick your paper at the bottom, and you can press down in the center and bring these sides inward and press down so that you squash that. And we have our water bomb base. So then we're going to take this corner and bring it over to this edge, and you want to make sure that this side is on a bit of a slant. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Try to make them sort of the same. I like to try to align the top edges and make sure this point is coming to the edge of this side. Then if you stick your finger in that pocket, you can put the other side inside of that pocket and just crease it down so that it's locked in place. And we have our basketball hoop. So then if you wanted to make a basketball to go with your basketball hoop, we can just create a basketball by cutting some scrap paper and just crumpling it up. You make it too big, it might not fall through the basketball hoop, so it's all up to preference. And then the sticky part is on the back, so you should be able to stick it to a wall and you can place some sticky note basketball. And there you have it. We have our butterfly and our basketball hoop all ready to stick against our wall. I think that's really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. And next week we're going to explore some things we can make with just regular printer paper. So I have 2 ways for you to make secret messages to pass to your friends. We have our secret message envelope, and I have this heart-shaped one as well. So I hope you guys enjoy that, and I'll see you in the next Fold It Friday. Bye everyone.